Now we have copied the working field into the U disk. Now we insert it into DSP, and we will wait and press the run button. We can see the DSP have read the U disk field, and press OK, and we will select this in C field and press OK, and we can see we can change some parameters like working speed and faster speed. Here we set all 6 meters, and we can set the speed scale to be small, as the first line will be deep, and so we need to be a little slow, like 0.3. So it will be 1.8 meter per minute, and the fall down of Z axis is small, is this fine, and then press OK. We can see the spindle starts to run, and DSP, this is S8. S means the spindle has started to run. And then now we can change the working speed during the working. We can press Y positive. So you can see this number has changed, and the working speed is faster. When it becomes 1, it will be 6 meters per minute working speed. And we can change the spindle speed during work by this button. You can see this S8. We can press C negative to be 7. But of course, for wood working, we need the 4 speed.